All of western Massachusetts is under a high wind warning from 6 p.m. tonight until 6 a.m. on Monday as a major storm system moves through New England. The Massachusetts Emergency Management Agency said the storm could cause tree and building damage and power outages. A flash flood watch is in effect, as well. Flash flooding in urban and poor drainage areas, including streets and in homes and businesses, is possible, according to MEMA. The threat of flash flooding is highest in western Massachusetts, but also exists in eastern MA. Sustained winds of 2,535 miles per hour were expected Sunday, according to MEMA, while Monday will see 4,055 miles per hour gusts across the interior of the state. Wind speeds will pick up after midnight tonight, and coastal areas can anticipate even stronger gusts up to 70 miles per hour. The National Weather Service forecasts rain through early Monday afternoon, then cloudy skies gradually clearing and a high of 58. Wind gusts low to 24 miles per hour by evening.